I wear many hats, and it's important that I wear every single one of those hats. I'm not just operations engineering technician, I'm not just mom, I'm not just wife, I'm not just church member. I am all of those things. I'm the culmination of those things, and that makes me unique and kind of defines what I bring to the table.
Being a whole person is not just concentrating on work separate from everything outside of work. Being a whole person is you have your work, you have your family, and the balance between that, I think, creates a whole person.
I've had plenty of jobs in the past to where you get there and you're not so much a person, you're basically there to do a job. You're not there to make friends with anyone. You're not supposed to kind of put yourself out there. You basically show up, you get the job done, you go home.
You know when somebody genuinely is asking, hey, how are your kids today? Or, hey, how are your kids? Okay, cool. Did you get this done? Just be genuine and actually care and remember and follow up with the people that you've talked to. Maybe it doesn't have to be, 10 people. You can start with 1 or 2.
The better you feel as a person, the better work you're going to put into something. You're gonna show up to work happy. You're gonna show up to work ready to work, and it's just knowing you don't have to balance out work and family and only set aside time for work and only set aside time for family. It's huge.
I think about times when I solved a problem in a unique way for my kids, or I solved a problem in a unique way for my church, or with our finances at home or whatever. I draw on all of those experiences to help me solve problems here at work. So I don't think that I could even do my job well if I was asked to just come here and be an engineering technician. I couldn't do it.
Being able to come in and share your feelings or your emotions or kind of putting yourself out there, it's kind of freeing. And the fact that they care about your family, not just so they can get a product out the door, but because they genuinely care, makes it so much more enjoyable to come back every day.
The absolute juxtaposition between a place that doesn't care about you at all, they just want what they can get from you and how can you help me, to a place that wants to know how you're doing and how are these things that you're struggling with, or how are these things that you're celebrating. Tell me about that. They want to know. It's amazing, amazing.